Hey, I got sent out a trail camera to test out. This is a 4G LTE cellular trail camera, battery and solar powered. Has a 4G cellular signal, solar power, night vision, live view on phone. Has an app you can download so you can watch it on your phone. PIR motion detection and IP66 waterproof. Let's get it opened up and see what we got in the box. And then we're going to get out there and get it hooked up to see how good the video quality is. All right, let's see what we have in the box. First thing we have is our user manual, our solar panel, the long cord on it, USB-C, USB-A to USB-C charging cord. Our strap, we can strap our camera onto a tree or a fence post, whatever you need to, if that's the way you want to mount it. Have our mounting hardware for our solar panel. Also has mounting hardware for our camera itself if you want to mount this on the side of a building or something that would you could put screws into. And we have our camera itself. Feel something else in there. Oh, tweezers. Got tweezers so you can pull the SD card out because you can put an SD card in this camera. Which is really cool. Really small. A lot smaller than a lot of the other trail cameras I have had. We have our motion sensor right here. This will be your camera. Over here on the side, underneath this rubber cover, we have our power on and off switch, a reset button. The slot below the reset button is for your SD card. And then you have a power cord right here. I would recommend charging this thing up with a charging block at home before you take it out in the field and get it going on your solar panel, just to get it a full charge before you get started. Once you unplug your power cord, you can plug in your solar panel right there, just like that right there. Then it will be solar powered. Pretty cool. I like the idea that it's small. That's pretty nice. Be easier to keep out of sight. We're going to get it charged up good, get an SD card in here, then we're going to go get it set up and see if we can get anything on video. Okay, I'm going to get this trail cam set up. Looks like a pretty good spot to me. And we will see what we see. By the way, you need to install the app on your phone. That way you can connect to it and be able to see what's going on. Or you can put an SD card in the camera and come back and check on it. Either way, we're going to see what we can see. Okay, I've got the camera set right there. Ran the solar panel right up there. We should be able to get some solar in here, but that battery will probably hold up for quite a while. And there has definitely been some critters through here, so maybe we will get some. We'll check back and see. Yeah, how'd y'all like that? That was pretty cool, wasn't it? I wound up going back out there and changing the sensitivity to medium because on high sensitivity, the shadows from the trees blowing in the wind would set it off the activity sensor, and I was getting notifications pretty regularly for trees blowing. Just not a whole lot moving around in the daytime that I saw, but it is 105 to 110 degrees out there. But at night, the animals move, as we saw. Really easy to set up. Basically, unbox it, put it on the charger while you're at home, and install the app. Get that going, get them linked up, and take it out there and get it set up. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.